So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, be it you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also do well to follow us on Telegram. You'll find the link in the comment section. So guys, take a look at this analysis. I told you guys that do not sell around here. This would be a liquidity or a pullback. Because reason is that a lot of traders will be looking to sell here. I told you guys that if you manage to sell at this resistance level, you are going to get stopped out, because this is the resistance level here, right? This is the resistance level and this is the resistance level, right? Now when you take a look at this is also the resistance level. A lot of traders are looking to sell here. I told you guys a lot of traders will sell, a lot. That is a lot. Every trader will sell here, but because I was able to spot the liquidity on gold, I've been trading gold for a very long time, so I know how it moves. Because I was able to spot this, I know that it will push up, and this is exactly what gold did. So if you've not watched our weekly analysis on gold for last week, you can go back to the channel to watch it. Also, we also did analysis for December 1st on gold. I told you guys that market is going to break out, which it also did. You can see it clearly. It actually pushed up. A lot of people that sold there actually got stopped out. I'm going to tell you that 90% of traders sold at this level. I can assure you that 90% of traders sold at this level. I'm sure many of you guys that are watching probably would have sold at this level. But guess what? Since market pushed up, there's no way you will get stopped out. So look at this long bias. And those of you that don't use stop loss, well, if you don't cut your losses short immediately, you are going to blow your account. Now we will be looking at what gold will be giving us this week. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, we are going to be offering the 40% discount back for this new month. As many of you guys have reached out that you would want to join our Patreon channel at a discount rate. Now we will be offering the discount to you guys. So this is an opportunity for you to go ahead and hop in. This discount will be lasting between 2 to 3 days, right? Within 2 3 days, this is when this discount will be lasting for. So there you can trade with us. You will get one-on-one support. That is the amazing thing, at a 40% discount. So instead of paying 20 that you are charging, we can now go ahead and pay 12. So the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So when you go to the comment section, you will see the link to our Patreon channel. When you subscribe, there are a lot of things we'll be covering: potential trade move, potential trade movements, one-on-one support. Definitely, if there's any other trade you want to take, right, you can actually contact us. We would give you some ideas, some potential move, what you should look out for. So you will actually learn one or two things on how to place your trade. And we will also be covering gold on the Patreon channel. And if you want to learn gold properly, right, you would also, and every of these things will be given to you at a 40% discount rate. It is up to you to hop in. Now the link will be in the comment section. Now back to my analysis on gold. Gold will come back to test this resistance level, and guess what it will do? It will continue the movement to the upside. So do not even bother thinking of selling this level. I've said it before. If you have been following this channel consistently, I've been saying it 2 months ago, 3 months ago. I've said it and I'll say it again. The month of November and December, DXY or USD will definitely drop. There's no two ways. If you have been trading gold for a very long time, you would have known how gold moves and how it reacts and how it usually play the liquidity to deceive a lot of traders, right? Month of November and December, USD will fall. So if USD is falling, guess what? Gold will definitely push it, because we are trading XAU against USD. So if USD is falling, any pairs you are trading against your USD must give you a bullish move. Be it your GBP USD or Euro USD, it must give you the bullish move. So this is why gold will continue that bullish move. All what gold just have to do is a pullback, a correction, the move. When it comes to test this resistance level, then expect another movement to the upside. Gold is ready. It will continue that movement. So I think we'll be heading, like I said, we will be heading to a level of 2070, which it has done that. So our next potential move on gold will be 2080 and even higher than that. So from 2080, we're expecting it at 21,000, right? So let's say this week on gold, our target is 21,000. So watch out for it. So since we are around 2071, so we are now heading straight to a level of 21,000. Even we are going to break above it. So gold is going to break above it. So do not even bother thinking of selling again. gold has actually broken out. Those of you that's actually on this trade, you've not used stop loss, well, it is up to you to close your losses now. If not, you are going to blow your account. And those of you that might be thinking this is a false breakout and that you'll be looking to sell, definitely this is not a false breakout. Market is only going to pull back. That does not mean you should hop in on the sell, because it's just a pullback, not, it will not start dropping, it will just a pullback. And if you go ahead and start stacking in on yourself thinking this is a false breakout, as a lot of traders are going to be thinking, because this is a major resistance level, right? If you go ahead and stack in your sell, markets will just push up and you are going to get stopped out again. So that is what we have for gold for you guys this week.